website, or it's hard to say the website or a program, whatever you want to call it, that allows you to collaboratively edit documents with a group so you can work on a project together, as opposed to, say, editing something back and forth 20 times, not really knowing what version is the most recent version, those sorts of things, maybe you want to for it. You have it in your own power. And it's very, very frustrating. What Google Docs allows you to do is allows you to edit those documents either simultaneously or at least at different times, but it's always just one version that you all can look at. So for example, I make Miss Germany use this program for our grad school classes. And so, for example, we wrote this finance file the other day. And so I make the document, I go in there, put her email address in and share it with her. And now whenever either one of us goes in here to the finance final, we can go in there and we can type. And if I were to say, type a sentence, then if she were at her house doing the same thing, looking at the document, then she would see the update like almost instantly on her computer. And so you're able to edit it together. So like on Monday night, for example, maybe it was Tuesday, I don't know what it was, but I was on the phone with her, and then we were both looking at a document at our different houses, and so we were talking and then typing and changing things. And so rather than having to email back and forth and wonder if the right version, we only have one version of this thing that you can update instantly with the neighbors. And sometimes we'll sit places and do it on the same computer, do it next to each other, but it's still nice you can see what's happening in the doc. So I tried doing this last year with one project, but the problem was when you start doing it and you start sharing it in class, sometimes if you don't already have an account on Google, you need to be able to access your email or to make that account during class. And obviously you can't do that, it's not supposed to. And so what I asked you to do in the email is I asked you to make an account on Google so that we can use this for our lab next week. And so we'll basically use this as we're going to type in our data for the lab. That way, if someone simply tries to do the data for the lab, that way someone's absent, if you still have the data to deal with sharing on Netflix and stuff like that. And so, and they've updated a lot of stuff that I want to see if this is a viable thing that you can class more often. So what I've asked you to do, and I sent you an email with a link and I think some instructions, is that you have to click on the link in the email. If you don't have it anymore, you can send me a message somehow else and see another link or whatever. And you need to go and make an account on Google. If you already have an account with Gmail or something, you've already done. If you use any other products Google has, and you're already done also. If you don't use anything on Google to plug in, then you have to go through the process. The link in the email will take you to Google, and you'll probably see a screen like this, but it'll just say Honors Physics Intro Drawing. And then you're going to click at some point to ask to make an account. You just put your name and your email address in, and then you make an account. That's very stressful for you. And then the first thing I asked you to do was go into this drawing and just add something to the drawing. People have already been here, it seems. And so you just go in here and you just draw on it. Ooh. Anyone who also is looking at that drawing at the same time or comes in later will see whatever you've added. So someone would make a man and thought that was funny, or antelope and other things like that. So that's pretty awesome for you. And so at first I wanted you to go in and just add them to the drawing, just get used to using the website. And then what I asked you to do was to make a document and share it with me so you can practice doing that. I'll show you how you would do that. You can click over here where it says create new document, and you pick one to make. You can make like documents, PowerPoints, spreadsheets, those kinds of things. So the other thing this can do for you, if you end up at some point you're a library that doesn't have Word, or you can't afford Word someday, this is like a free word processor you can use if you don't want to pay for Word at some point. Because Word's not cheap if you didn't know that. And so you go in here, you don't have to type anything, if you want to, you can, and then I want you to share this document with me. So you click on the share button, go to invite people, then type in an email address, and then you're good to go. And then I'll get that, I'll know you did it, and I'll give you thanks for it, and it'll be a good day. Yes, sir. I use the email address you put into Moodle and send to that email. Okay. I didn't actually post, I probably can't post it on Moodle. I never actually post on Moodle, I just put the email address and send it out as a normal email. But I will put it, I'll post it up as a Moodle form, post like in the main one. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I can resend it. That's something you get it.
And say, I don't remember if it's email, but I have an email one.
Whatever email address you want to use. It all goes to my phone. I know, very convenient. Any other questions? That's your task for, I'd like that to be done by Tuesday. So in class on Tuesday, when we start doing this, you all can share with your group the spreadsheet that they're going to make for that lab. And that way, if someone asks, we're good to go. Yes, sir. Can I say about the programs in Moodle? The files you mean? Kind of, not real simply, I don't think. They're going to upload it, but then if you upload it to your account, then if you're sick, your group members can't get to it. This is the other thing. So we make a spreadsheet, you're going to share it with Peter and Kyle and Sarah. And then if you're sick the next day, you send it with those three, Sarah can log into hers and get the spreadsheet and keep working. If you just upload that file to your Moodle, then Sarah can't get to it. That's your point then. Other questions? Okay, I'd like to start then from here. After this, I want to just I kind of just made it in a bad order earlier. I want to take some notes first. I think we had some of these notes on Friday or Tuesday. Yeah.
Oh, more boys.
Yeah.
How do you get these files?
All these are ones I've made or had shared with you.
So I have to SP for like a
I already sent.
always like directions on the
Well, the email means so you won't see like any of this stuff.
Oh.
And, these are my files. The only one you'll see is this one right here that I shared with you. So if you log in with the email address that I have for you in Moodle, this file should already be there waiting for you. If you want a different email address, just let me know and I'll change what I sent you. I tried to get the ball started that way. Yeah, so yeah, you'll only see this one right there, unless someone else can pass share with the community you know about. Yeah, you don't need all those. Good question. Okay, I think, as I said, we had some of these notes on Friday about the Kirchhoff and the math, but I want to just do them again in case we didn't do them, or Tuesday. My brain's all messed up now, so I wasn't here. So I just want to make